So hello madam, my name is Edmund Chong Kityat and my metric number is 20DKM 20F 2029. This is our presentation for mini project from group 5. My metric number is 20DKM 20F 2029. So firstly, introduction. The product that we choose is compass. The number of parts is 15 parts. So the function of a compass is more accurately known as a pair of compasses. Is a technical drawing instrument that can be used for inscribing circles or arcs. As dividers, it can also be used as a tool to step out distances in particular on maps. Compasses can be used for mathematics, drafting, navigation, and other purposes as well. So this is the part list. Part 1 that we have is body 1. Part 2 that we have is body 2. Part 3 is header. Part 4 is inner body pencil 2, pencil 4, pencil 5, pencil 1, kunci dalam, needle, nut, pencil cover, screw, mechanical pencil header cover, spring, and also inner pencil body 3. So in the sketch part that we use is 2D sketch, which is we use line, circle, fillet, and bore with hole, work plane. And in the 3D model features, we use extrude, revolve, and also chamfer. As for sketch part for this one, we have hexagon for the nut, we have used the coil for the spring, we have used threads for the screw, we have used hole for the almost every each of the part, which is the header cover for the mechanical pencil, and also the nut, the in key, and also the inner body pencil. Yes. So these are the pictures that we get after we make the part in the inventor, and we take the 3D picture. So we have body 1, body 2, header, kunci dalam, inner body pencil 1 until 5, nut, and also needle, spring, screw, and also mechanical pencil head cover, pencil cover for the mechanical pencil.
Hello madam, my name is Don Shi. My normal metric is 20 DKM 20F 2011. So the next part is assembly part. Step 1. Take out every each of the part of the compass. For step 2, constrain every part with one another part that are supposed to be combined. Next is presentation of block assembly. Make the distance between every part to let the part move along in the video, and show each of every part that has in the compass plus mechanical pencil. our final result that we get. The left one is we create in the inventor. The right one is actual one that we get. So I think that's all from our group presentation mini project. So thank you, madam.